When you're in the beginning phases of a research project, one of the first steps is deciding what you want to research, or narrowing down a broader subject, or maybe starting with a specific subject and then exploring what connections that topic might have to other topics. Gale Virtual Reference Library offers a tool that helps with just this kind of situation. In this video, we're going to take a look at that tool, which is called the Topic Finder. So we're going to start at our library homepage. We're going to scroll down and click on Databases. And then you'll see that Gale Virtual Reference Library is listed here under our popular databases list. You can navigate there through this link, or you can choose G from our A to Z list and then navigate to Gale Virtual Reference Library from there. So this database houses a number of encyclopedias and other reference sources, which is what makes it an ideal place to start when you're kind of getting an overview of a topic. When we're here at our basic search page, we have two ways we can access the Topic Finder. The first way is to enter our search term into the basic search bar, and then click on the magnifying glass or hit enter. And you'll see over here is this blue button that says Start the Topic Finder, and that'll launch you directly into your results. You could also click on Advanced Search and then choose Topic Finder from there, and enter your search term into the Topic Finder search bar. Click on the magnifying glass or hit enter. And what this does is, instead of the list of articles, the Topic Finder offers a visual representation of your search topic and then gives you a way to narrow down to a subtopic. So what the Topic Finder is doing is it's analyzing the results of your search, including the titles, subjects, and even some of the actual text from the articles. It then uses that information to determine keywords that are found most often in your results. And these keywords become the subtopics you see represented in the visual diagram. So there are two ways that we can view our results. And the default started in the tiles, but let's go ahead and toggle over to Wheel and take a look there first. So in the Wheel view, the most frequently found terms are shown in these larger sections in the inner ring. These terms also tend to be a little bit broader, whereas these terms in the outer ring occur less frequently in your articles, but they're also a little bit more specific, which could be helpful as you're narrowing down your topic. The size and the colors in the wheel also have meaning. So the bigger the section, the more commonly the term appears. And the colors represent a kind of spectrum. So red shows the most frequent terms, and then you move to the less frequent or less popular terms as you move along the rainbow. And the darkness of the colors also indicates frequency. So the darker the color, the more frequent the term. You can click on these arrows along the wheel to open up more results. And you'll notice that in some of these smaller sections, you can't see the subtopic in the section itself, but when you hover over it, it appears in the center, making it just a little bit easier to see. Clicking on a section or term will bring up results for that section or term. And then from there, you can select which result you want to look at. The other way of looking at these results is the tiles view. And this view uses the same pattern in terms of size and color. The larger the tile, the more frequently the term appears. But unlike the wheel view, where you can see the additional terms a bit more clearly, here you can see them kind of, but you'll want to click on a tile to see more specific terms or subtopics. And then from there, you'll select a term to bring up your results. This tool has a few different uses. Doing an initial search using the Topic Finder can help you explore a topic and come up with a research focus. You can use the Topic Finder to narrow down a topic, which is particularly helpful when your initial topic is broad and returns too many resources to reasonably go through. For instance, our basic search term, theology, if we were to search for just theology again, you'll notice we have over 38,000 results. That's a lot to go through. The Topic Finder helps you kind of navigate and narrow down to look at the areas that you're really interested in. You can also use the Topic Finder as a way to find other terms to search for. whether in this database or in others. So for instance, liberation theology, and then I could search for liberation theology, Black theology, or liberation theology, poverty, and either one would give me a little bit more information about that topic. Please don't hesitate to reach out to the library with any questions that you may have.